I am Jessica Potage and my blog's Mama in a Stitch. Ruffles seem to be all the rage lately on clothes, and so I thought it'd just be fun to make a scarf with one. It's kind of a feminine, fun little light scarf that you could even wear indoors. A lot of the stuff I make is pretty heavy because I like the thick yarns, but this one it's so soft and kind of nice for a change for me, like to wear something light and just really feminine looking and pretty and easy. I love easy. I started off trying to knit, reading from a book how to do it, and I almost totally gave up on like any yarn craft. I just couldn't get it down. And then I watched some YouTube on how to crochet, and I was able to pick that up really quickly. And once I could crochet, then knitting was very easy for me. If you're a visual learner, try and find somebody to teach you so you can actually see it being done, or on YouTube or anything like that. It's very helpful.